Our kids deserve this, and our staff deserves this, and we can't believe this is our school. Like, we just cannot believe it. We feel like we're visiting. I'm just so excited.
Principal Lori Gonzalez should be happy because Alvin Elementary has a new place to call home.
Everyone is just on cloud nine here. I knew last year when we were working on the building how excited the staff would be. So once they got to see it, everyone's here. It feels like home.
50 years ago in 1974, Alvin Elementary was established. Many current staff members walked those halls as elementary students.
I myself, when we first moved to Alvin, started at Alvin Elementary back in 6th grade, back when we had 6th grade at elementary.
It was a really neat feeling to teach in the building that you went to school at as a child.
I am so excited to be here. It's kind of special to our family because my mother actually opened the original Alvin Primary. She was the original librarian. So she was teaching at Alvin Primary when it was still at Alvin High School, and then she opened that building. And then I'm able to open this building, and it's very exciting for all of us.
They're super proud of having been Alvin grown and still here giving back to our students and our community.
The new campus has 105,000 square feet and is a 2-story building, but they still feature the learning pods.
The teachers love the pods. Everything is colorful and bright and vibrant. We have 6 classrooms in every pod. We have a flex space in the center of the pod where teachers can come out and co-teach. We can do small groups. We have 2 classrooms in every pod upstairs that do not have access to external windows, but they have skylights. It's pretty neat, and I think the kids are really going to enjoy that as well.
We loved our old building, so it was a little bittersweet, but we are just so excited to start something new. And for it to be called Alvin Elementary, we just keep saying the new building, the new Alvin Elementary. It still has the same old feeling of our family, but we're just so happy to have a new space.
We took a lot of little pieces from the old campus and really tried to bring some of those same concepts in here. The murals are beautiful. They all have such significant meaning behind them. Here at Alvin Elementary, we want all of our kids first and foremost to feel safe. We want them to feel loved.
The new campus has a capacity for 800 students, but more importantly, it's a place to grow and learn because
Once an Eagle, always an Eagle. This is our home.